Imagine living in a space that feels like a luxury penthouse, but it's actually under 300 square feet. This isn't just a tiny apartment, it's a living machine from the year 2026. Most studio apartments feel like a closet, but this design uses invisible technology and spatial switching to double your floor space instantly. Every wall you see? It's hiding a secret. From a cinema that disappears into the ceiling to a kitchen that hides behind a touch-sensitive wall, we are breaking down the 5 genius pillars of 2026 minimalist living. You won't believe where the bedroom is hidden. Let's step inside the future. Smart storage is the unsung hero behind the breathtaking aesthetic of the 2026 studio apartment. In the future, storage is no longer about plastic bins, but rather structural integration that utilizes every millimeter of dead space. Hydraulic bed frames that lift to reveal an expansive storage warehouse underneath are a mandatory standard for any successful tiny home. Additionally, stair treads that function as drawers or bookshelves hidden behind decorative wall panels demonstrate engineering brilliance that maximizes function without disrupting the aesthetic. By shifting seasonal items or rarely used belongings to these hidden spots, the apartment surface areas remain clean and minimalist, creating an atmosphere that is calm and highly organized. The final educational piece of this tour is the importance of custom floor-to-ceiling cabinetry to draw the eye upward. Full-height cabinets not only provide up to 30% more storage space but also give the impression of higher ceilings and a grander room. In 2026, these storage systems are often equipped with digital inventory sensors that tell you exactly where items are stored via a mobile app. The use of mirrors on cabinet doors or automatic interior lighting enhances both usability and the room's overall aesthetic. Understanding how to manage items vertically is the key to living minimally amidst physical space constraints. With the right system, your studio apartment is no longer a cramped space, but a highly sophisticated and aesthetic living machine. The multifunctional living area of 2026 is a masterpiece of flexibility that challenges traditional floor space limits through the use of transformative furniture. Within the same footprint, you can find a peaceful relaxation area, a productive workspace, and a high-end entertainment zone alternating throughout the day. Low-profile modular sofas take center stage, allowing for instant reconfiguration based on social needs or personal comfort. Minimalism here does not mean emptiness, but rather the selection of furniture with clean lines capable of elegantly hiding secondary functions. The use of sustainable textiles with self-cleaning technology ensures that an active lifestyle won't mar the visual beauty of the room. This is a breathing, living ecosystem where every decorative element is chosen based on its ability to adapt to the dynamic daily rhythm of its inhabitant. The key to an aesthetic minimalist design is the balance between texture and artificial lighting concealed behind architectural details. In 2026, smart lighting automatically adjusts its color temperature to support circadian rhythms, shifting from bright white during the day to a warm amber at night. Placing a high-texture rug under the sofa serves to define the area's boundaries without the need for physical walls, keeping the open-plan concept feeling organized. The educational takeaway for the audience is understanding that floating furniture or pieces with slim legs reveal more floor space, providing the illusion of a larger room. By reducing the quantity of items and increasing the quality of each piece, even a small living room can feel like a spacious, five-star hotel suite that is deeply soothing to the soul. The living room of 2026 has evolved into a high-tech social lounge, where entertainment is fully integrated into the architecture rather than being a bulky afterthought. The centerpiece of this transformation is the invisible cinema concept, featuring ultra-thin micro-LED displays that resemble high-end art when not in use, or hidden projectors that descend from recessed ceiling slots. This educational approach to design prioritizes the clean wall aesthetic, where messy cables and black plastic boxes are replaced by wireless, built-in sound systems hidden behind acoustic fabric panels. By choosing a low-profile, wraparound modular sofa, the room encourages social interaction while maintaining a wide-open floor plan. The key to this setup is ambient intelligence, where the lighting and sound automatically adjust to the content being watched or the music being played. This seamless blend of technology and comfort ensures that the studio apartment feels like a private luxury theater without sacrificing its minimalist, airy soul. Beyond pure entertainment, the 2026 Social Lounge focuses on sensory layering to create an inviting atmosphere for both the resident and their guests. To educate the viewer on spatial depth, this design utilizes layered lighting combining floor-level LED strips with soft, architectural up-lighting to create a sense of height and drama. The furniture selection focuses on multi-directional pieces, such as swivel lounge chairs or a central ottoman that doubles as a coffee table, allowing the room to pivot from a movie night to a deep conversation hub in seconds. High-performance, stain-resistant fabrics in neutral tones like soft limestone or warm sand provide a tactile experience that balances the coldness of high-tech gadgets. By keeping the floor surface clear and using a single, large-scale textured rug to anchor the furniture, the room feels expansive and intentional. This disciplined curation of tech and texture proves that a small living area can provide a world-class social experience when every element is precisely balanced. The compact kitchen and dining area of 2026 is a stunning blend of precision engineering and practical lifestyle. The hidden kitchen concept has become immensely popular, where all cooking appliances and the sink can be closed off by aesthetic pocket sliding doors when not in use. Cabinet panels utilize anti-fingerprint matte materials in warm earthy tones, creating a cohesive look with the main apartment area. A functional dining table integrated with the kitchen island is designed for multi-use, serving as both a meal prep station and an elegant formal workspace. This design proves that efficiency doesn't have to sacrifice luxury. Every inch is designed for maximum comfort while cooking without creating a cramped or cluttered impression for visiting guests. The educational side of this modern kitchen design lies in the selection of smart appliances that are micro-sized yet high-performing. In 2026, invisible induction cooktops that merge directly into the countertop surface have become the new standard, removing visual barriers in the cooking area. Small dining areas are often equipped with transparent chairs or benches that can be tucked completely under the table to free up floor space when not eating. The use of slim pendant lighting serves as a visual marker that subtly distinguishes the dining area from other zones. With this highly planned design approach, the process of cooking and dining in a studio apartment becomes a highly efficient, modern experience that still feels spacious for every inhabitant. Entering a studio apartment in 2026 is no longer just about opening a door, it is about a transition into a space of intelligently curated calm. The smart entryway serves as a crucial visual decontamination zone that is vital for maintaining order in a tiny home. By integrating frameless cabinetry that blends perfectly with the walls, every item from keys and shoes to coats has a hidden place that remains easily accessible. This approach doesn't just save physical space, it provides mental clarity for the resident from the very first step inside. The use of reflective materials and automatic sensor lighting creates a deceptive sense of spaciousness, transforming a narrow hallway into a functional gateway of luxury. This is the new standard of aesthetics that prioritizes spatial discipline without ever sacrificing style, creating a first impression that is both impeccably tidy and inviting. Design education for this area focuses on utilizing verticality, which is often overlooked in traditional apartment layouts. In the future, slim profile shoe racks with 180-degree rotation mechanisms allow for the storage of dozens of pairs in a depth of just 4 inches. Furthermore, the use of antimicrobial materials on entryway console surfaces shows how household health is beginning to integrate directly into aesthetics. Choosing a monochromatic color palette with minimal metallic accents helps bounce light from the main area into a typically dark entrance. By removing cluttered visual elements, we create a fluid flow of movement within the studio. Investing in a smart entryway organization system is an investment in time efficiency, as you will never again waste energy searching for essential items when you are headed out the door.